That the geographic center of North America lay in the state of North Dakota was conceded by all involved. Establishing its precise coordinates proved more divisive, or divisive, however you pronounce it. Well, let's start with the subject here. The subject is the entire thing here, entire clause. That the geographic center of North America lay. So yes, it's another subject and verb within it, but this whole thing is this whole dependent clause will be the subject of the main clause. And we have the verb here was considered, which is a passive voice. So we got the subject and verb by all involved. Okay. And then establishing its precise coordinates. So that whole thing here, entire participial phrase or present participial phrase will be the subject and the verb will be verb. The verb will be proved. Okay, subject and verb. So we know that B cannot be the answer because that would result in comma splice. And choice C is simply a run-on sentence that you cannot connect the subject and verb clause with another subject and verb without any boundaries. So that leaves us with choice A or D, and choice A is incorrect. That's because colon is used to give a further explanation or for classification or amplification or to show the list of items, and none of the cases here. Instead, we have this contrast. If it was all conceded by all involved, meaning they all agreed that the geographic center of North America is North Dakota, and we clearly see that finding or establishing the precise coordinate proved difficult, or meaning people could not agree each other, divisive or divisive. So we see the contrast, and that can be implied within the semicolon, because semicolon can it includes all those fanboys, the coordinate conjunctions. Like in this case, it will be but. So if I were to remove this, if there's an alternative way to answer it, it could have been involved, considered by all involved, comma, but establishing. This would be okay. Establishing its precise coordinates prove more divisive. But if you want to remove this and instead replace with a semicolon, that's also correct way. Therefore, the answer should be D.